when that first draft of the bill came out, it did spook bond investors saying, okay, is the United States going to never address this debt issue? A lot of projections were that it was going to increase the national debt significantly. And then the other thing that, going back to Kathy Jones, who I mentioned before, Charles Schwab said, is that the United States has picked some fights with some of its biggest creditors. They do have China or Canada coming in buying these bonds. And then if the United States is in different disputes with them, economic disputes, that's not going to encourage them to be buying United States debt. So that's going to impact it as well.
Gotcha.
So there's so many
Yeah.
factors going into this, right? It's geopolitics, domestic policy, tariff, the economy in general, all of these things coming in shows up in the bond market. So
Right.
there's a lot of layers to it, I think
Yeah.
is my.
It's a little more interesting than just here's this bond you hold for however many years and then you get this interest. Like this whole fixed income is boring is the thing that we hear a lot. But right
Yeah.
now, it's very interesting and very important to be aware of as an
So all of
investor.
this from like one bond auction. And we don't think this is something to panic about, but
Mm.
it's something to recognize that's happening. And there's a lot of factors going into it. I've seen some people start to panic a little bit. We've seen prices of gold go up, crypto, that's going up. Partially, that's the value of the dollar going down. So
Yeah.
that's partially a response to that. But there is a lot of uncertainty out there and fear. People are reacting to it. And you can see it's the more speculative areas of the market.